Hi guys, Mark Wildman here, Wildman Athletica, and today we have a box here in the studio, a hydro core sent to us by Maurizio. I'm not sure I'm saying his name right, but let's talk hydro core today. Hydro cores are super cool. They're basically water-filled Bulgarian bags, and I've been trying to get my hands on one of these things for about 2 years now. They're on the Onnit website, onnit.com. They've been out of stock since I was in Romania. It's got to be months now. They've been out of stock. So I've been trying to get my hands on one of these for a long time. I was told specifically not to open it with a knife. So, open this bad boy up. I don't know, it seems like a knife would have just worked fine. But, always listen to the guy. There we go. I'm basically just using these scissors as a knife. Ironic. There we go. Little clip action. Oh, okay. So this is not how they come from Onnit. He sent me one that he had. So do not count this as indicative of the packaging that it will come in. The packaging from Onnit tends to be pretty sexy. Yeah, he sent me a used one because there were none left. Awesome. What do we got here? We've got the bag itself. One bag. I take it this is a filling port of some type. And these big, super badass handles. We've got 2 handles here. Oh, these are going to be sexy as hell to use. Oh, this is going to be fun. This is going to be cool. Big, badass, thick, chunky rope. I'm going to love this thing. I can tell already. Why a hydro core? A hydro core because clubs are heavy, kettlebells are heavy, maces are heavy. They're not that heavy. So kettlebells are pretty heavy. 24K is hard to drag around with you unless you have transport with you. Maces are the lightest. Clubs are the middle. This is even lighter. I don't know how much this weighs, but it's not very much. I'll weigh it and I'll get back to you on that. The idea here is that I'm looking for something that you could actually just put in a backpack and carry onto a plane. And they won't let you do that with clubs. I don't know why they won't let you drag giant iron clubs onto a plane, but they will not let you do it. And they will not let you take maces on a plane. I've tried. Even if you paint them bright colors and put them in lacrosse stick bags, they won't let you do it. Maybe they will some places, but not most places. Certainly not in London or LA. This is the option that I've been looking at for a couple years now. Doesn't weigh anything, but maybe 4 pounds empty. I'll have to look it up for you. Fill it up with water anywhere you go. If you go someplace and they don't have water, this is the least of your problems. So we're gonna fill this thing up and we're gonna play with it over the course of the next couple of weeks. I'm gonna put it into my morning training routine and I'm gonna play with it in order to figure out what can be done with it. I assume that it's basically just like clubbing, only there's no lever, so you're not gonna have hard stops. But that means you're gonna open up a whole new series of movements because there's gonna now be catches and all kinds of other things. This is a water-filled version of what's called a Bulgarian bag. I just don't use Bulgarian bags a lot because they're heavy. They take up more space than clubs or kettlebells, and so I don't use them. I don't drag them around with me. I don't do anything with them. I know that a lot of the guys from Jim Jones use them, but they use them instead of clubs. But they're also not packing all that shit all over the place. So I haven't done much Bulgarian bag, but we will be doing this, which is a version of Bulgarian bag. The handles are going to be different. They're not going to have the leather handles of Bulgarian bags do, but this is going to be really cool. I'm super excited for this. Thank you. I don't know if it's Maurizio or Maurizio. Looks Italian to me. Maurizio. Thank you very much, Maurizio. We're going to use the shit out of this and we're going to drag this all over the planet.